Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a toddler toy organization video. I'm not going to talk too long. I want to kind of get into this and get it over with. I ordered this little bin organizer. It's kind of everywhere. From Amazon. I think it was less than $60. And I'm going to be replacing this organizer that she has in her closet and probably moving this to her sister's closet. So we got a lot of new toys for Christmas and I just want to organize them. I want them to be available to her. I feel like she doesn't play with them as much because they're hidden in these bins and like up on shelves where she can't either see them or reach them. So we're going to be doing some organizing. I want to kind of go through and just organize her closet all over. If you look up here, I have these bins. I kind of want to use them for something else. I'm not quite sure. Right now they just have diapers in them. And let's go ahead and get into this and film this and get started. There's gonna be a lot of organizing and a lot of mess.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I've never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go.
Okay, so let's see if I can get this all in the camera, but this is everything that I am working with. Like, I honestly did not think that this much stuff could have been crammed in that tiny itty bitty closet, but it was. It's actually, it's not like a bad sized closet now that I haven't seen nothing in it in forever. Eventually one day we will be painting this all white. If you follow my channel for a while now, you know that we just moved into this house. That didn't really come out right. We just moved into this house about a year ago and we are painting everything. Everything in this house is literally an off-white color. I'm not really going to go into it right now because it's a whole nother story. But let's go ahead and start to organize this toy closet.
It's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go. chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Okay, so that was kind of hard just because she was wanting to play with everything that I was organizing, but I made it work. I'll go ahead and show you what I got done so far. I still have some stuff to do, but we kind of have to get ready for lunch, and I'm going to end this video, but I'm going to show you how far I got. So I really do like this organizer, and she seems to like want to play with her toys more because she can actually see them. So here's what I have. I don't know where to put these, and we actually have a hall closet that has a lot of her craft stuff in, and these are just like wooden puzzles and whatnot that we play with, and I might go ahead and put those in that closet, but I need to reorganize that closet now. But over here we have like her little eggs that have shapes on the bottom, just some other puzzles. These are little people toys and just like some dinosaurs. She has a train track. This is all like the utensils that go for her play kitchen and all the food. This is new Legos that she got for Christmas, and this is like a miscellaneous basket. Like there's balls and just a whole bunch of random things. And then these have like play doll blankets and like little skirts and diapers, and then this is just more miscellaneous like brushes and combs and stuff like that. Up here I didn't change too much. She has like this giant thing for the little people that our neighbor gave us for free, and she really likes that, and I know it's huge, but she loves it, so that's right there. She's still obsessed with this like little wooden snail thing, and actually this goes on top of it, but she doesn't like it on there. So that's their backpack, some unicorn things she got for Christmas, and then these are like her PJs. Up there, it's just like sentimental things that we keep, and like her records and whatnot, and her baby book. We put her life jackets in that bin. I still have diapers in there, and then that's just more sentimental things with some pull-ups that we have. And this I brought out of her sister's closet, and I put all her books and just like her animal vet kit she got for Christmas with the carrier, and then these were actually my horse toys when I was little, so we put those in there. She has a crib that a family member made for her, and we just kind of put baby dolls in another backpack. And we have her shoes. I was having a hard time because I was trying to figure out where to keep her shoes. We always keep it in this bin, and she started to like to come in here herself and grab them out. So I wanted them where she could grab them, and I was going to put them in the top drawer of her dresser, but I'm really scared that she's going to try to like climb up her dresser to get into it, so I didn't do that. And then we just have some random knickknacks and toys and stuff that she has up in there that she can reach. I still don't know what to do with this bin, and it just has like small stuffed animals in it. I don't even know if I'm going to keep those in there, but I might end up using it in the closet or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I hate really putting toys on that top shelf because I want her, like if they go up there, we just don't use them. So, I don't know. And overall, that's mainly it. I still have to go through the stuffed animals with her. I don't keep the stuff, like, if you're wondering why I don't keep all the kitchen stuff in her kitchen, it's because she will get up in the middle of the night and play with everything, so that's why I keep it in her closet. And then we just have some random things around. We got to see if we can fix this drum. It is starting to fall apart. She's been really rough with it, so If we can fix it, then we'll keep it. If not, I'm guessing we're just gonna have to throw it away. So that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that bell notification button. I have started a new upload schedule of Monday and Thursday uploads. I upload usually in the morning, and I have tons of videos coming for you guys. I have tons of things planned. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.